Hi, this is a double question on trigonometry. It came up in ZAT previously. Let's see what this says. A man is standing on a boat south of a lighthouse. So you have a lighthouse here, south. Okay, somewhere south. This is the man. So call this position P. Call this position Q. He observes that his shadow is 24 meters from the sea level. On sailing 300 meters eastward, if you go 300 meters eastward, right, he finds that his shadow is 30 meters long, right? So if I put R here, 30 meters long, right? So this is a right angle triangle, but what we do with this? We need to draw another set of triangles. Now, let's see how will you get the shadow here. Now, if you take the first position, suppose this point is P, this is Q. Okay, the light source will be somewhere here. Okay. Now, the man is 6 meters tall. It's given. Right, his shadow is in this position 24 meters long. So, if this part is X, this part will be X. Now, these two will be similar triangles. These two will be similar triangles. So if the lighthouse height is H, see, this is one question is what is the height of the lighthouse. The second question is what is the horizontal distance from the lighthouse, man from the lighthouse in the second position, right? Okay, so you need to find this part. Let's put this as Y. So in the first case, the lighthouse will be here, the man will be here. These two will form similar triangles. So if I rewrite this, you'll get X plus 24 divided by H should be equal to 24 by 6, which is 4. So I can say X equals 4H minus 24. Right. Let's take the second position. If I draw for the second position, right, this is P. Now this will be R. The shadow will be here. The shadow is 30. Right, this part is Y. The lighthouse is still here. So the man now is 6. Again, this will be similar triangles. Right. So in this case, you'll get Y plus 30 divided by H should be equal to 30 by 6, which is 5. So you'll get H equals, sorry, you get Y equals 5H minus 30. Now we also know this is a right angle triangle. This is exactly south, then it goes east. So this is a right angle triangle. So you know Y square equals X square plus 300 square. Right. So Y square is 5H minus 30. X square is 4H minus 24 plus 300 square. Now, obviously we can expand this and solve, but a quick check, the easiest right angle triangle that you know is 3, 4, 5. Let's check 3, 4, 5 works. So this is 3, this should be 4, this should be 5. So 300, 400, 500. Let's check if this is 400, whether it satisfies this. Okay, so you get 4H minus 24 equals 400. So H should be equal to 424 divided by 4. 424 divided by 4 is 106. Now let's see what happens if I substitute 106 into this. 5 into 106 is 530. 530 minus 30 is 500. So it will satisfy. 300, 400, 500 will satisfy. Height is 106. Job done. Second part. What is the horizontal distance of the lighthouse in the second position? Horizontal distance is Y. Right? Y was 500. So that part is also done. Option B. Right? That finishes this question.